Alright guys, so today we are playing a roleplay with my friend Bella. And so yeah, let's just get started. If you haven't already, comment, like, click the bell so you can be notified when I post. And yeah, she's down there still. I'm gonna just practice my guitar for maybe a program or something. While I wait for the dinner. Yeah, she said send me a friend request. Peeps. Oh, yes guys. She's screaming at me. Dinner! Yes, Mom, I am coming. Great. Mom! Oh no. Yes! It's my favorite dinner. Ever. Yeah, we're eating. Alright, we're done eating. Now, wash my hands before I do my homework. Yes, there's always a line. Just a couple more seconds. Alright, team. Now, see. Bella, go to sleep. Lay in the bed. Lay in the bed. No, go to sleep. I am. Let's see. I think Mom would like some pancakes. Oh, need to mix them. So stir. We are stirring the batter, guys. Mom's dreaming about the unicorns. I'm assuming, because unicorns are amazing. Oh, that's very interesting. Oh, flippin' me pancakes. Look how satisfying that looks. Yes! Get them golden brown pancakes. Yeah! Oh shoot. No, I don't want to go to a party. No, we stole pancakes. Yes, and we're going to. Mom said she's on a diet, so we're gonna get her some grips. Even though she's on a diet, we give her pancakes. That is totally okay. We're gonna have some grapes too. Mom said, she needs more something like a super smoothie, cause it's got them proteins in them and them veggies. So guys, well, we are 6 minutes into the role play. This is very fun. I'ma just get myself I'll just get some hot chocolate. Yeah. Mom! Breakfast! Oh, she accidentally snoozed the alarm too many times today. Well, it's a good thing I made breakfast. Alright. Now we quickly need to get to school, but I quickly need to. No! Change my outfit into that. Yes. Hold on. Whatever. My hygiene's high enough. Go to school, Mom. Did you unpermission me? Or did you lock? Did you give me guest or co-owner? Or no, co-owner. You did, okay. Now, let's see. I'm gonna quickly just go. La do 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 do. Driving to school. It's a good thing today is a half day because we only have 4 hours of school and my brain is like dead. So we better get to school quickly before I'm extremely late. Let's see. Da 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 da. Bell rings. The bell rings. Oh shoot, I am late for school. Gotta go. This moped can't go any slower, can it? Alright, we better run into class. Run. Finally, I made it. Whew, that was a close one. Now I have to make it to my class. Alright. Alright, finally it's recess. I'm gonna go to the gym. Because gym is where I go on my free time. I wonder if Mom will be there. She said she was gonna go to the gym this morning, so I'm gonna go on the left side to the treadmills because I love running. Running is an amazing thing. I probably should have taken off my sweatshirt, but this is good enough. I'm a very fit person. It's getting the muscles. Yeah, bro. Whew. Oh, hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. You're not supposed to see you here. I'm so surprised. Oh, we only have 40 minutes left to school. Gotta go. Bye. I accidentally went overtime in school. We have to do the outro. And Mom said, no, that was a great roleplay. Alright, guys. So that was basically it for my roleplay. And, well, see you next time. Bye. She said follow me. She said follow me. Mom said